Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to go over some information about one of our 21-inch wheels we call the Glide. What we have here is our 21-inch wheel. This one in particular is our black contrast finish with the 3D polished floating rotors. We do offer this in both all black and chrome. Both finishes I think are on the website if you're ordering online. So the rotors, probably noticed these are not matching rotors as far as the design goes. These floating rotors are much better mechanically. You'll never have them warp or anything like that, and they look way better because you can see your entire wheel, 13 or 14 inches of your 21-inch wheel is not covered up by a rotor. That's why we switched to this design. These can be set up, this is an ABS bearing in here, so they can be set up ABS or non-ABS. It's just totally dependent on if your bike has it equipped or not. They can come set up for almost any bike that I can think of. All the touring bikes, Street Glide, Road Glide, Road King, etc. Most Softails, most Dynas, most Fat Boys, Honda, Gold Wings, Kawasaki Vulcans. All it is just a little hub swap. And that's mostly everything. If you get it with a tire like this one is shown here with an American 8, they're internally balanced with Dynabeats, so there's no weights or anything on your wheel. The TPMS sensor in all the newer Harleys, there's two options. We can go ahead and pre-install it with a new sensor that we get from a Harley dealership down the road, or we'll send it, it'll be drilled and tapped with a hole somewhere here around the valve stem, but it will retain this valve stem. It will not use the black stock Harley one that you're going to have. Instructions will come with the wheel, but there's also a video on installing it on our website. The wheels and hubs and everything are machined in our shop in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Blanks are forged in California. Everything's 100% American made. It's all lifetime warranty on everything. It's guaranteed to work right every time. If there's ever any problems, reach out, give me an email or a call, and I'll be sure to help you. And I think that's pretty much it, wrapping up our 21-inch Glide wheel.